What's up, everybody? We are in beautiful, sunny San Diego at Belmont Park to ride the Big Dipper. It's right behind us. Never been to San Diego before. We're checking out SeaWorld tomorrow, but we figured we'd pop over and check out Belmont Park. They got a 100-year-old woodie right behind us that we're excited to get on. We've been to Santa Cruz Beach Boardwalk. We're interested to see how this compares, but probably a short video. Let's go inside and check it out. All right, so not much of an entrance over here. We got dropped off by our Uber right on the other side of the parking lot, but we're in here. Giant Dipper right in front of us. I think this is like a pay per attraction, so we got to get some tickets.
Yes.
Tickets to ride. I'm sure you could get a wristband. Yeah.
Wristband or 8 tickets.
Okay. So we'll probably get 1 or 2 rides worth and call it a day, but we'll explore a little bit and see what else is going on around here. $32 tickets. Giant Dipper, let's do it.
Let's go.
100 years old soon, like next year, or this year, very soon. 1925, I think it was built. Just like the Santa Cruz version, it dips into a tunnel right off the bat. That's so cool. We'll see what this one's all about. I've heard it's not as good, but I did hear they recently retracted it, so hopefully bearable. First rides on Giant Dipper, 99-year-old wooden coaster that I've heard got retracted recently. And what was the verdict?
Yeah, I mean, the fact that you said it's 99 years old, I mean, it's not too bad. The first drop is really good. After that, it's definitely really shaky. And it hurt my back a little bit, but
maybe only portions retract, and I'm not sure exactly which portions. After our first ride, I would wager it's the first half. Because this back helix is when it started to get pretty gnarly. And the coaster's about to go up the lift all over us. We were in the third from the back row?
Yeah, I would say.
I guess we were in the front of the car because there was a little bit more leg room, but I don't know. There is. All right, we might try the front again. What was it, $8 for a ride?
Yes, 8 tickets, which is $1 per ticket.
Yeah, pay per ride setup, which is pretty cool if you just want to pop in and get one ride. Belmont in bloom. Looks like they got some music acts maybe in the spring. I'm not sure what the deal is here, but kind of cool. Food, a lot of food options. Pretty cool. Oh, big ass rock wall. Damn, look at this thing. Ooh, zip line? Is that a zip line? Oh, that's crazy. Overhead zip line. Man, they shove a lot into this little area. Good vibes. Well, that was the extent of the park, actually. We just came through the other side. We're back on the boardwalk, checking out the beach. A little bit windy out here. I don't know if you can hear me, but it's a cool spot. A lot of restaurants, food, stuff to look at. Man, it's crazy down here. We're gonna head back in the park again here in a second and get on the coaster one more time, but just vibing.
Yeah.
Took a little detour for some sustenance. Yeah. Oceanfront. This is so cool though. What a vibe. Dope spot. Dilly.
Mayhem?
Yeah. Just got out of, I guess it was part of Belmont Park. His draft is right on the beach here.
Yeah.
Pretty good spot. Food, a lot of TVs for sports. Got a couple beers, but we're gonna get back on Giant Dipper. I'm gonna try and get in the front, a little bit closer to the front. We'll see if it's a little bit smoother. This place is just so nutty. There's so much to look at. There's so much action going on. It's beautiful out here too, which I'm sure that's increasing the activity. But yeah,
it's like a tiki bar.
She's at Butte Clark. We're heading back. There's really not a whole lot going on over here. It's mainly just like kiddie attractions. It's kind of nice if you for family style park. Not really a whole lot of stuff here for adults to do other than eat food and people watch. But there's definitely plenty of that. All right, I'm gonna shut up now. I've yet to see this type of flat ride. There's one guy on there by himself, but he controls the direction it spins, I guess. It's got a couple buttons on his restraint. Needs to be ripping it back and forth so it flips. Oh, there you go. He's figuring it out. Yeah, that's cool. Oh, nice. Legendary. Have a wonderful time. Ace landmark. Always cool to see the respect put on these classics. Can't really tell what it says. All right, we just came back for more, for whatever reason, on the Giant Dipper.
Walker is trying to torture me.
Yeah, we were in the third row this time.
Yeah.
So this was our second ride technically, but the operator overshot the station when we came back in, so she sent us around
like,
for a
again?
third time.
Like,
Yeah.
oh,
She's
no.
like, hope you guys are cool with going again. We barely even stopped. Like, I don't think she even checked. She just sent us through. And it's, God, the first half until you get to this back helix, it's fine. I wouldn't say it's great.
Yeah.
And
The
then,
back is
oh
terrible.
man, once you get in these valleys, it is just so shuffly.
Like, my back is broken.
And it's crazy that like this was recently renovated. Like the coaster looks fantastic.
Yeah, the paint looks great.
It looks like a boardwalk coaster should.
Yeah.
Especially one so historic.
It was really fun though. I'm glad that we came.
Yeah, it's cool to get a couple rides on it, but damn, it needs a little bit more work. I showed Olivia when we were in the station, it doesn't have upstop wheels, it's just got those metal like pads under it instead of an upstop, so it holds it under the track with a metal plate essentially. I'm sure that doesn't help the situation. It's just a weird old coaster, but it was cool to get on it and just explore this park a little bit. We had a good time just kind of hanging out and seeing what the vibe was around here. It's a little crazy, a little nutty, similar to like Santa Cruz, Santa Monica type of deal. Just California boardwalk. I mean, it's kind of to be expected, but hope you guys got something out of this. We had a good time exploring. We'll see you in the next one. We'll be at SeaWorld San Diego very soon.
Soon, very soon.
2 dashes of milk. All right, we'll catch you next time. Later.
Bye.